What's up guys, today I want to unbox this case Dash F Dash G and the Bugatti Eurospeed. Let's go. We go for Dash F F1 first. No. We go for Bugatti first. Let's go baby. Let's go. Bugatti set. Alright. Let's go. Alright, first item we have the LaFerrari. You can see there, LaFerrari. Alright. We have Aston Martin here. Vantage. And then we have McLaren SOLUS GT. Nice. We have AUTOMOBILI PININFARINA BATTISTA. Sorry for my pronounce. Okay. Look at that black detail. And then last but not least, we have the Bugatti Bolide. Yes sir, Bugatti Bolide. And last but not least, the chase, Bugatti Bolide chase, guys. So this is for Eurospeed FPY 86. Alright, okay. This is for the Eurospeed Bugatti chase. Look at this. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe me, thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.